Yo, what's up, everybody? Yep, we're back here at the garage. Here with part 2 of the subframe connector install. We're installing the LMR full-length subframes, and we just finished removing the cheapo subframe connectors. So let's take a look. So here we are. We got the subframe connectors out and almost ready to put the new ones in. So you can see this side, we got the fuel lines kind of blocked from the sparks. Well, the best I can right now. We got the subframes out. We got the seat braces sitting up in there. Now, you know, we painted the back sides of everything. And then we got the torque box reinforcements tacked in. We got it tacked in on this side, and we just got this one sitting up there. It's tight enough where it stays up there right now. So we got to finish grinding some of the areas. We're just have it up here to market, and wanted to show you how the install was going, and maybe we'll help you in some steps doing yours. And then LMR has a good install video too. That shows you decent amount. You know, we'll weld the plates maybe every so many inches. We'll give like a 2-inch bead every 5 inches or so, or whatever it is. Whatever you like, or if you'd like weld it all the way. So when we put this in, we'll jack it up with the jack. We gotta grind a little bit of this area away up here where the seat brace meets the subframe, so we can kick it a little bit more to the right to try and get it better lined up, get it more over this way. We had to grind this seat bracket a little. As you can see, we grinded a decent amount away because this side needed it kicked over a little. So not everything's perfect, not every car is the same, so there is some modifications you may have to do. Give it a little bit more bracing. So like I said, this is just sitting in here right now, as I wanted to mark where the plates are so I could finish grinding what I have to grind away. We'll have to grind the right side, both sides. We'll have to grind it a little bit, 1/4 inch maybe, so we can give it the subframe a little kick and sit better on the frames. And this is what it looks like. So we'll set this here. And then it's also best, they say it's best to put the subframes with the suspension loaded, or like a 4-post lift. Well, you can see we don't have a 4-post lift, so we got the jacks out. We're gonna set the front wheels on blocks, put the rear end on the jack stands, and we should have the suspension loaded. We're gonna drop it down here in a couple minutes to get ready to put them on. And this is the old ones. These are the cheapos I got years ago when I first put this car together. I didn't really know what I was doing. I still don't even know what I'm doing. So the convertible comes with extra bracing, and it's like on all 4 corners. It all needs removed. You need to remove it. I mean, you could probably leave it on there and weld over it like I did on this one. With the cheapos, I just welded right over it. That was one of the reasons why we wanted to change to the full lengths, plus to give it better support. We got the top side painted. They say to paint the top side because you can't really get to it when it's in there. I'm sure some of it might melt off. And these extra bracing, they're pretty easy to get out. They're just riveted on. You just take the big drill bit, drill it out, and pry them off. We got a couple pieces still on there because I got it. The lift on it. So, as you can see, this one up here, this one we were able to fully get out. This extra brace, we got a little piece still stuck in there, we'll get out. Then we got the extra brace here. And the extra brace over there, we still got a little bit in. But we'll get it out. And the convertible also has like this extra jacking rail that these braces connect to. So, and I don't even know if they really actually do anything. I mean, I'm sure they might, but they're just being riveted in. It's, I guess it's just an extra support. So we're gonna have full lengths in. And as you can see, we got the torque box reinforcements. And this is what the underside of the 3-valve swap's looking like. The welder out. And let's take a look at a side-by-side comparison. So the full lengths and the side-by-side, you could see way more area covered. And they're definitely beefier. Right off the bat, they're beefier. They're like probably a 1/2 inch bigger, size and a half. And so, with that being said, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and we're gonna catch you on that next video. Peace.